Hey there, Dr. Crypto here with a Crypto.com and Cronos update. So first things first, I hope everybody is doing well, absolutely having a fantastic day and all happy. Before I start, if you could give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, that's absolutely brilliant. So without further ado, why do I like Crypto.com and the Cronos ecosystem? Well, the first thing is marketing. Their marketing is absolutely, in my personal opinion, is one of the best in the business, in the crypto world. From what they do with the arena, the World Cup, UFC, and all the other methods they do, they're one of the best, and they're clear cut. But also, what is really important, and it's a lot important to people who are not so tech savvy or anything like that, their ease of use of their app, their DeFi app, and also their exchange where you can do spot trading. Everything they do is so simplified, which is absolutely core to a lot of people out there who aren't, like I said, who are tech savvy. There's a lot of people who are like that, but they make it so simple. And this is why I think Crypto.com is going to be one of the top. I would not be surprised, if they've become, in the next bull cycle, like one of the top 10 cryptos out there. They get into that top 10 because over this bear market, they've just been building and they do not stop. And they keep with the community. You see them on Twitter. You see Chris on Twitter. They're there. They're like getting involved, which is absolutely fundamentally of great. But one of the other main reasons I also like Crypto.com is basically their security. As you can see here, they tweeted on January the 24th, first for virtual asset platform. Crypto.com is now certified with the ISO 27017 for security in the cloud, and also the ISO 27018 for privacy and protection in the cloud. So their security is priority. Their protection, not just from themselves, but for the community and their investors, is of high priority. Where some exchanges, I don't know, but this Crypto.com is probably one of the safest in my personal opinion, because it says here, our philosophy, security, privacy by design and by default. We drive a zero trust, defense in depth security and strategy across the system and platforms. Data privacy assessments are built into a process to safeguard personal information. You just got to go to this part of the website to have a read through and, what they actually do. Best in the class security features. We follow security software development and life cycles, multi-factor authentication. We ensure withdrawal protections. We provide 24/7 live customer support. And like I said, they set in the highest standard for transparency and accountability. So all you have to do is just go to their website and check out all this information, and it just shows you that their priority is you, and obviously themselves too. But their security is to the highest standard I see in any of the exchanges that I see. But like I said, they got the security, and with all the marketing they're doing as well, and all the 80 million plus users now, the next cycle is just going to explode. My personal opinion, it's not financial advice, you always do your own research, but my personal opinion, I feel, there's nothing particularly stopping them from getting to in the next bull cycle. My suggestion would be $3. I really do. I really do definitely think we'll hit $1. But I do think, all they've done is build. I could see it going to $3. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think Crypto.com price will be in the next bull cycle? You know, so, but like I said, it's all to do with what they are building. The security, the marketing, the basically all their, like their staking rewards, the debit cards, you know, it's all there. They're the one-stop shop. So, you know, and this is why in the bear market, they've gained more app users, 80 million now, 80 probably plus million now. So they're not stopping, they're building. So without further ado, let's just have a quick look at the charts, see where we are at the moment. So right now, looking on the 4-hour chart, this is on TradeView. So I'm on the 4-hour of Crow USDT. So as you can see on the 4-hour, the volume's gradually still coming in here. So we've basically created basically a bullish divergence. So as you can see on this here, we've got the line profit up, and then the RSI we're heading down. So we have actually created a bullish divergence on this. So, you know, and we've also created now like a support. So at this point in time, I'm looking at the moment that we've got like basically just some resistance to this point here to get through. But as long as that volume keeps picking up, and as long as Bitcoin starts to volume keeps coming in and start pushing up, then obviously the market seems to follow Bitcoin. So, but at the moment we've got bullish divergence been created on the 4-hourly, and like I said, we've created support. So, you know, let's have a quick look at Lux Algo, see where we are now. Check that. So we've got basically Lux Algo here. So we've caught the trend catcher, as you can see here. We sort of came down a little bit, but we've caught the trend catcher again, and now we've got a strong. So we could be having potentially a strong push up. Not financial advice, anything can happen. You know, we could get some black swan event today or something like that. But you know, Bitcoin could suddenly just out of the blue just crash down and whatever, it all start to retrace, and obviously that drags the market down. But currently we have created this bullish divergence. We've got a strong indicator on Lux Algo, you know, and the trade catcher is basically been caught again here. So could we be moving up again? Well, no doubt time will tell. So looking actually on the coin market cap at the moment, and if we go to CRO, you can see basically, you know, we're all pretty much green. You know, 24 hours slightly down, but pretty much green. So, you know, when we look at the Cronos chain at the moment, so if that's around about here, number 32 at the moment, so it's saying we're down around 1.96%. So like I said, market cap down is slightly down, but there again, Bitcoin has sort of had a little bit of a drop, you know. Potentially, you know, could be whales just scaring some retail users to sell up, like, you know, but at the moment, you know, I just keep on accumulating. So, you know, as we are, volume is only slightly down by 6.9%. It's not really that big of a decrease at all, like, you know. So, but like I said, we've got this bullish divergence which has been created as well, like. So, yeah, overall looking good. You know, you're looking at like the latest sentiment. Look at that, you know, sentiment here, bullish. You know, because I have people say to me, you know, what do you look for when you look for companies, you know, to invest in, you know, in the crypto space? Well, I look at the sentiment as well. So I'll go on things like Twitter, Google, look at the type of sentiments, look at the news articles. You know, I always obviously go to the website, look at the website, see how good it is, and also have a look at the CEOs, see who the CEOs are or the co-founders are, you know. And yeah, that's basically how I start that's only the basics. Start to look at, you know, what I think. And this is why I say with crypto.com, I've done my due diligence. I did it a couple of years ago, due diligence, and he basically just keep growing and growing and growing. So, you know, I'm quite bullish on it, and like I said, I feel we could be heading in you know, in the next bull cycle, potentially $3. That's my personal opinion. But the first target is, of course, $1. So, you know, if you like this kind of content, give us a thumbs up and give us a subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.